Ever wondered how much a bank is worth? Not just any bank, but a digital one operating in the heart of Brazil's bustling fintech scene? Today, we're diving deep into the valuation of Neon Bank. But before we get into the numbers, let's ask a more intriguing question. What makes a bank, especially a digital one, valuable? Is it the number of customers? The tech stack? Or something entirely different? The answer, of course, is complex. But to understand Neon's valuation, we need to grasp these fundamentals. Neon, for those unfamiliar, is more than just a bank. It's a lifestyle brand, a financial partner for millions of Brazilians. It's disrupted traditional banking, offering sleek digital experiences, financial education, and a suite of products tailored to the modern consumer. So, what does that translate to in dollars and cents? To value a company, especially a tech startup like Neon, we typically use a mix of methods. One popular approach is the venture capital method, which looks at the company's stage of growth, revenue, and investor appetite. Another is the comparable company analysis, where we compare Neon to similar fintechs. And then there's the discounted cash flow analysis, which projects future earnings and discounts them to today's value. But here's the kicker: Neon is a special case. It's growing at a breakneck pace, and its business model is evolving rapidly. Traditional valuation methods might not capture its full potential. We're looking at a company that's not just making money, it's building a financial ecosystem. So, while we can't give you a precise figure, we can paint a picture. Neon's valuation is likely in the billions. It's backed by some of the world's top investors, and its growth trajectory is nothing short of phenomenal. But remember, valuation is a snapshot in time. Tomorrow's worth could be entirely different. What truly defines Neon's value is its ability to innovate, its customer loyalty, and its potential to reshape the financial landscape. It's about more than just numbers, it's about the vision, the team, and the impact. And that's where the real story lies. It's a story of a young company challenging the status quo, of millions of Brazilians embracing a new way of banking, and of a potential financial giant in the making. So, while we can speculate and analyze, the true worth of Neon might only be revealed in the years to come. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.